Hi, I'm Caleb Porter.
Hello, I'm Francis. So for experiment 9, we have it set if A and B are equal, the display, which will be the leftmost display, will be 0, or actually will be off. And we can see when both of them are 0, it's off. If both of them are 1, it's off. For any given value, it's off. And it'll display the highest value. So if A is higher than B, it'll display A. In this case, let's say A is 8 and B is 2. It'll display 2 because A is higher, or greater than, sorry. Now if, let's say, A is 2 and B is 8, it will display 8 because B is greater than. So this is our module for experiment 10, and we want it to be that if both A and B are equal, then display their output in the two middle segment displays. And so we see here A and B are equal, they're both 0, so it displays 0. Furthermore, we want to say that if the rightmost button is placed, then to turn off the display. So press it, we can see that it turns off. And if A is greater than B, then display its output on the leftmost display. And if B is greater than A, then display its output on the rightmost display. So if A is, let's say, 8, oops, I think I have this backwards. This is A and this is B, sorry about that. If A is 8, then it'll display it
I was confused as to
here. If B is greater than, then it'll display in the rightmost, so there it is. And if they are equal to each other, let's say they're both 8, it will display in the middle. And we see press the button, turns off. That's the case, turns off. Any other number, since this doesn't have a condition that if it goes higher than 13, it'll be 0, so you can have any given number. This is B, again, this is A, these 4 are A, this would be 2 videos. Again, I press it off and it turns off the display. And we see if we do anything with these buttons, it won't matter because we don't care about those.